Welcome to the video, and thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to focus on a simple but very important feature for the Yahoo Weather app. Many people want accurate weather updates, but the app needs access to your phone's location to deliver the right forecast. First, look for the Yahoo Weather app on your Android phone. Next, press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Then, tap on App Info from the available options. Once you are in the App Info section, go to the Permissions tab. From here, click on Location. Finally, select Allow Only while using the app. This ensures that Yahoo Weather can access your location only when you open it, giving you accurate forecasts without running in the background. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.